Well, this is goodbye, because I think I've exhausted all of my memory. This is the last part of the video. She's been sitting here drinking. I assume that's what she's doing. Face is buried. The animal has not moved. And I figure that she's reaping the benefits of her spoils at this point. So, she's styling. This would be like, I don't know, one person eating a hog. Laugh when I shake the camera. Or I shake the camera when I laugh. But thanks for viewing. She's hope this doesn't gross you up, but this is just nature. She's a predator. And she's done a fine job tonight. And she's a benefit to her species. Whatever that is. Spider. Maybe some of you out there can tell me which spider she is. I could find it, you know. We are all geniuses by way of Google, so I just haven't spent the time doing it. It's got little markings on her legs, bite markings. She's